Alright, y'all, so I made a pork roast. Some crackling up here. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? I need to work on my crackling game, but I'm quite impressed. Look at that. Look at that. I'll show you the rest of the meal in a moment. Can't wait to dig in. Slice that pork joint. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, delicious. And I've gotten the lid all. Let me see. Oh, where are we? There we are. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. And here it is, guys. We got some Yorkshire puddings in the thing. I better get those out first. Here it is, guys. Like I said, nice pork roast with some crackling, as you can see. Some sprouts, some green beans, some roast potatoes, some gravy, and some Yorkshire puddings. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye!